Yo, hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to switch models in Cloud Code. Cloud Code lets you switch between different cloud models such as Sonnet, Opus and Haiku, depending on whether you want more speed, lower cost or better reasoning. The easiest way is to use the built-in model picker, which is literally this one here. So as you can see, like right here on the chat itself, so there is the chat and here is the actual modules. So all you have to do is to literally click on it and choose the module that you want. The Opus is with the upgraded version, with the Pro version. Eventually, if you have Cloud Pro, then you would have the Opus version of the Cloud. And you have the Sonnet, which is if it's for everyday task, and the worst one, which is the, for me, as I don't really use it that much, it's Haiku 4.5. I mean, it's still an AI, but it is fastest for quicker answers, so it doesn't take deep thinking. You could also switch them or have add-ons to them. For example, you can choose Opus 4.8 and add the efforts. You can literally choose the effort to be high, max, and medium, and add deep thinking into it. So with that, you have the smartest module and also have the biggest effort out of them all. So this is exactly how you can do it. In some code or Cloud Code versions, you can literally just type in model or literally just write in Sonnet or whatever model name you want. And yeah, in general, this is how exactly you can change the model of your Cloud Code. If you did enjoy this video guys, make sure to drop a like, subscribe and leave us some beautiful comments. And if you do have any more questions about any AI agents, make sure to drop them out in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.